everyone, welcome to Next Gen, your ultimate stop for coding inspiration and creativity. And I'm thrilled to kick off an incredible journey with you. This is day 1 of our 100 Days 100 Python Projects series, where we build a new Python project every single day. Whether you're a coding enthusiast, a Python beginner, or just curious about what you can create with code, you're in the right place. So, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay updated on this epic journey. Alright, let's dive into today's project, a plagiarism checker. It's a handy tool to compare two text files and find out if one is copied from the other. This project is simple yet super practical for students, content creators, and anyone working with text. Let me show you how it works. So here's the plan. We'll create a Python program that reads two text files, compares their content, and calculates the similarity percentage. We're going to use a Python library called difflib, which makes it really easy to compare text. If you don't already have it installed, no worries, it's part of Python's standard library. I'll explain what a plagiarism checker is and briefly introduce Python's difflib module, which can be used for simple plagiarism detection tasks. A plagiarism checker is a tool designed to compare two or more pieces of text to find similarities. It identifies copied content by analyzing word sequences, matching patterns, or calculating similarity scores. These tools are widely used in academics, publishing, and coding to ensure originality. That's our complete code. Let me quickly explain what's happening here. The sequence matcher function from difflib compares the content of the two files and returns a similarity ratio. We multiply it by 100 to get the percentage. If the similarity is over 80%, we flag it as potential plagiarism. Simple, right? Method 2. Now, let's test it out. I have two sample text files ready. One is an original document, and the other is a slightly modified version of it. Let's see what happens. Output. The similarity between the files is 85.67%. Warning. High similarity detected. This might be plagiarism. Boom. Our plagiarism checker works like a charm. It's efficient and gives you a clear similarity percentage. Imagine how useful this could be for students or anyone working on content verification. That's it for day 1, folks. I hope you enjoyed building this plagiarism checker with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts and suggestions for future projects. Tomorrow, we'll be back with another exciting Python project. Until then, keep coding and keep exploring. Signing off from Next Gen.